Hi everyone! So I received a package. As far as I've done, I just got a little peek of what was in there. I said, as far as I've done, I haven't peeked inside, but now I got a little sneak peek what's in there. So the return address says this comes from Cindy, and she's also in California. So that's pretty awesome. So let's see what's in here. I wasn't expecting anything, so this was a really nice surprise to pick up at the P.O. box. So we have a butterfly, and these look like wood beads, but I think they're a plastic. Oh, I like those stars over there. I don't have those. Oh yeah, these are like a plastic. And look at these really pretty like pastels. But look at these stars. I don't have any of these. That's so pretty. I love those. I could definitely use the orange ones right now for Halloween. So thank you. I already have an idea. I need to make a chunky charm. So I'm going to use those for that. Oh, there's glitter in here. So we have green. Oh, black. Hello. Halloween colors. And then we have a, it's just called diamond. So we have a white glitter. Definitely use that. Ooh, there's like a mixed green. It looks like a light green and a dark green. So it's an emerald mix. Could definitely use that. I use green a lot and purple a lot for Halloween, but black and orange are my favorite. And we have a wand with a little flamingo. Oh, look at the straw. How cute is that? That's really cute. I haven't made a wand in forever. Ooh, postage. I love me some stamps. So very summer vibes. Love that. Oh, look, she made the little envelopes for a little summer. And then put the bag topper. Then we have, oh, she did like a washi sample. Oh, good. So I can open it from down here. So there is the top. Then I can open it down at the bottom to slide everything out. I like this little like envelope pocket that she did. That's really cute. Oh, look at the little flamingos in the background. Stay cool. I like the little tassel trim. I got that before from Hobby Lobby. I wish they still sold it. A while back they had, what is it? Paper Studio little washies and little tiny rolls of ribbon like this, and that's where I got that little ribbon from. I loved it. A lot of flamingo vibes. Flamingo makes me think of Florida. I love the whole like little vibe. Oh, summer bucket list. Oh, that's so cool. I love that. I love making a bucket list. We have a bucket list. Like Sunny Boy has a 21st birthday bucket list that we hardly did anything on because my dad being sick has just taken up so much of my time. And then I just have like a bucket list that I want to do, you know, just to complete in life. So yeah, I am all about the bucket list. Are these rub-ons? Oh, these are rub-ons from Dollar Tree. I don't think I ever saw these. These are really, really nice. Is this from Dollar Tree too? It is. I don't think I saw any of this flamingo at Dollar Tree. Oh yeah, is this Dollar Tree? I definitely did not. This is Dollar Tree. Wow. How is there stuff at Dollar Tree that I've never even seen before? Ooh, I like this. Paradise. Definitely make like a little summer, like, little like junk journal, like flip book. This would be really nice. I like this. Like if you get scrapbooking and you get like little maps and stuff for the summer, that would be really nice to stick in that envelope there. Then we have some more die cuts. Oh my gosh, look, she paper pieced the little flamingo. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I love that. And then these little stickers. I wonder if those are Hobby Lobby. I haven't seen those. Oh, I like that there's a blue one. Oh, look, I can make my own little wand now because she sent me some of the straws. Oh my gosh. Look, Christmas rub-on, 59 cents. Oh my gosh, I love this vintage vibe right here. Oh, I need like 50 of these. How stinking cute are these? Oh my gosh, I love vintage. I always say I was born during the wrong time. And I'm sticking to it. So we got gold. Oh, this is actually called snow. This looks like really fine, what is that? Like diamond dust? That's what that reminds me of, like really fine diamond dust. And then we have a green. Beads? How have I missed these at Michael's? This is a Michael's brand, but I've never seen these before. I think these are maybe like a 16 size beads. Oh, and look, they have the large hole, so that's perfect for pokey tools and beadable pins. Oh, look, she's so pretty. We got a little flamingo pin. I'm gonna stick that in my pins right there. And then, oh my gosh, look at this coffin. That's so cool. Look at that. Oh, I love it. That's so cool. And then look, she put little tags in here, little wood piece. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, look at the Dollar Tree stickers. Got a couple more tags up here. That's really cool. And then here's info. That's awesome. I need to do a coffin little flip book like that. That's really cool. Then we have little flamingos. Oh my gosh, there's tons more glitter in here. We got like a purple. Ooh, a neon orange. That's really cool. Could definitely use that. Then we have a blue. Oh, it's called peacocks. That's pretty. And then a frost. A yellow. You know, I don't have any this size recollection glitter. I have the tubes. Like, I don't know if they still sell it. I haven't looked. But before they sold like a big packet, I think it had like 30 different glitter colors and they were like in little tubes. That's what I have. So I don't have any of these larger size little squares of glitter. Oh, I like that purple. That's really pretty. Oh, that blue's really pretty too. Let's see. Oh, another snow. Yes, I love that. Oh, that's really pretty. For Christmas, I like mixing blue and silver. So this is already like mixed with blue and silver in there. I like that a lot. And let's see. We have, oh, look, it's a metal photo frame, but it has like the soda can pulls. That's cool. I like that. Wow, 97 cents. That's a really good deal. I think there's 2 in there, right? Yep, there's 2 in there. Oh, I like that a lot. Then we have a little like shaker mix. Oh, there's tiny little butterflies. It looks like she stamped, colored, and cut out a bunch of little butterflies in there. That's a really good idea. I like that. Then we have, ooh, brown foam with glitter. I don't think I own any brown foam, which would be perfect for like cutting out a tree for Halloween or like the little stem of a pumpkin. Oh, I really, really, really like this a lot. And then, oh, there's, I think these fell off of something. There's another little flamingo there. I really like everything you sent me. Thank you so, so much. I love this foam and these vintage little rub-ons over here. Oh, and these metal frames. Oh, and the beads. Oh, but then the little coffin. Oh my gosh, I just love it all. What can I say? Thank you guys so much for watching. Cindy, thank you so, so much. Did I miss a card in here? I don't think I did, right? Yeah, I don't think I did. But Cindy, thank you so, so much. Thank you, everybody that's watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful and beautiful day. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.